So you've heard it here, Microsoft Word and Excel are getting something called Vibe Agent Mode, and it essentially is Copilot attached to a way to build out your documents or your spreadsheets using the help of AI. I want to go over it and just give you an idea of what to expect if you're using Microsoft Word or Excel in this video. Today's video is kindly sponsored by us, Bento Focus. It's a new app for iOS that helps you to focus better. In the age of AI, you really need to work out how to enhance the way that you focus, and you can find it linked in the description below if you're interested. It'd be great to have you over there. So yeah, this is Agent Mode, and essentially Microsoft announced this as a way to build and edit spreadsheets using Copilot, but they've also touted it in their announcements like Vibe building, a bit like what Notion are doing at the moment with being able to build out databases using knowledge from other sources. So essentially what you can do is you pop up Copilot on the right, it's pretty much the same, but you can use multiple sources across different areas that you have in your Microsoft account. So essentially you can build out a diagram from an Excel spreadsheet using other sources that aren't particularly in the same sheet that you're using. So this is really helpful because what Copilot's going to do for you is break down every different, not transaction, but everything that happened in the receipts so that you're able to understand what it actually did with that data. Now the same goes with Word. It'll be able to pull together Word documents using existing resources or documents or PowerPoints that you already have inside of Microsoft, and essentially you can build this document out. Now this is a relatively new feature, it's rolling out, but at the same time it is sort of like an agent mode because in a way, eventually what they'll probably do is start hooking this up with other platforms. But right now, this, in my opinion, is just a better version of the Copilot platform and something that I'm sure those using Excel and Word will absolutely love. So some of the things you can do with the Excel version is create pivot tables, dynamic formulas, and you can build charts and diagrams really easily. Inside of the Word version, you can reformat, rewrite, add other entries, as well as pulling from other notes that you have or other documents you have in your platform. So apparently this is an early access program called The Frontier, and you can get access to it. I'll include the link in the description below as well. So Word Excel users, this is probably the glimpse of the future. Will you be writing documents anymore? Probably not. But hopefully this helped you understand what it is so that you're in the know. Anyway, thanks very much. Do subscribe if you want more AI tools and news, and do check out Bento Focus on iOS if you're interested in zoning in on your work.